Right now, there is another galaxy racing toward us. It contains over 1 trillion stars, countless planets, unknown black holes, and mysteries we have never seen before. Its name is Andromeda, the nearest giant galaxy to the Milky Way, and one day it will collide with us. But what if we could travel there today? What would we see along the way? How dangerous would the journey be? And could we survive it? Tonight we are taking a terrifying trip across intergalactic space, a journey of 2.5 million light years, a journey to the Andromeda Galaxy. Let's begin. Number 1, leaving Earth. Our journey starts here, on Earth, the only home humanity has ever known. At first, everything looks familiar. The moon drifts behind us. Then Earth becomes a blue dot. Soon, even the sun starts shrinking. The planets disappear one by one. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Eventually, the entire solar system fits inside a tiny point of light. And that's when the true scale of space begins to reveal itself. Because we haven't even left our cosmic neighborhood yet. Number 2, escaping the Milky Way. As we move farther away, the Milky Way changes shape. From Earth, it looks like a glowing band across the sky. But from outside, it becomes something completely different. A giant spiral galaxy, over 100,000 light-years wide, containing hundreds of billions of stars. From a distance, it looks beautiful, peaceful, almost harmless. But hidden inside are deadly stars, exploding supernovas, powerful magnetars, and a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius, a star, lurking at the center. As we continue moving away, the Milky Way slowly shrinks behind us. And soon, we enter the most terrifying region of all, intergalactic space. Number 3, the cosmic void. This is where the fear begins, because intergalactic space is almost completely empty. No stars, no planets, no galaxies nearby. Just darkness. Imagine staring out of your window for days, months, years, and seeing almost nothing. No sunrise and no sunset, no familiar constellations, only blackness. Humans evolved under bright skies. We were never meant to experience this level of isolation. Some scientists believe the psychological effects would be devastating. The silence alone would be terrifying. But the darkness hides another danger: invisible radiation. Number 4, deadly cosmic radiation. Space is not empty. It's filled with high-energy particles. Many travel close to the speed of light. These particles are known as cosmic rays. Without protection, they can damage living tissue, destroy DNA, and increase the risk of cancer. A journey to Andromeda would expose travelers to radiation for an unimaginable amount of time, far longer than any mission in human history. Even the strongest spacecraft would struggle to provide protection, and the farther we travel, the more isolated we become. Earth is now invisible. The sun is gone. The Milky Way is only a distant glow, and ahead, Andromeda begins to appear. Number 5, first glimpse of Andromeda. At first, it looks like a faint cloud, small, dim, harmless. But don't be fooled. Andromeda is enormous. It is roughly twice the size of the Milky Way. It contains around 1 trillion stars. That's more stars than humans who have ever lived. As we get closer, the galaxy grows larger. Its spiral arms become visible. Bright clusters shine across its disk. Dark lanes of dust cut through the light. The view is breathtaking. But it is also unsettling, because somewhere inside this galaxy, there are things humanity has never encountered before. Number 6, the monsters of Andromeda. Every large galaxy contains cosmic monsters. Andromeda is no exception. Astronomers believe its center contains a supermassive black hole, one much larger than Sagittarius, a star. Its mass may exceed 100 million suns. Anything that gets too close is doomed. Stars can be ripped apart, gas clouds can be consumed, entire regions can be flooded with radiation, but black holes aren't the only threat. Andromeda also contains exploding stars, neutron stars, magnetars, and possibly rogue planets drifting through darkness, worlds with no sun, no light, and no life. The deeper we travel into Andromeda, the stranger things become. The collision course. Here's something even more terrifying. Andromeda is not standing still, it is moving toward us. At roughly 250,000 miles per hour, every second. The distance between our galaxies shrinks. In about 4.5 billion years, the collision will begin. At first, people hear the word collision and imagine destruction, but galaxies are mostly empty space. Most stars will pass by each other safely. Still, the event will completely reshape both galaxies. Spiral arms will be torn apart. Stars will be thrown into new orbits. Gas clouds will collide. New stars will form. And eventually, two galaxies will become one. Astronomers already have a name for the future galaxy: Milky Way. What would the night sky look like? Imagine standing on Earth a few billion years from now. Look up. Andromeda would no longer be a small, fuzzy object. It would dominate the sky, growing larger every million years. Eventually, it would stretch from horizon to horizon, brighter than anything humanity has ever seen. The night sky would become a cosmic masterpiece, a glowing wall of stars, dust, and light. Beautiful, yet terrifying, because it would signal the beginning of the greatest event in our galaxy's history. Reaching the center of Andromeda. Now our journey is almost complete. We arrive at the heart of Andromeda. Stars become incredibly crowded. The sky never grows dark. Every direction is filled with light. At the center lies the giant black hole, a monster hidden within the galaxy's core. Its gravity controls the surrounding region. Its influence extends for thousands of light years. Standing here would feel impossible. You would be surrounded by more stars than you could count, more worlds than you could imagine, and mysteries beyond human understanding. This is the center of another galaxy, a place no human has ever visited, a place that may remain forever out of reach. Outro. The Andromeda Galaxy is beautiful, but it is also terrifying. Between us and Andromeda lies millions of light years of darkness, deadly radiation, endless isolation, and unimaginable distances. Yet despite all of that, Andromeda is coming to us, right now, at this very moment. A slow-motion collision has already begun, and one day, the Milky Way and Andromeda will become a single giant galaxy. Until then, Andromeda remains one of the greatest destinations in the universe, a place filled with wonder, mystery, and cosmic terror. And perhaps the most incredible part of all is that it's heading straight toward us.